Being a good estimator has nothing to do with technical knowledge. Pushing buttons on a piece of software and adding lines to an estimate is easy. Anyone can technically write a great sheet. The missing piece for every estimator is understanding human relationships. That is the skill that takes a great estimate and does the most important part of this process. It gets it paid. For years, we treated this industry as a transactional business. Keys for checks. We wrote estimates for insurers as a means of compensation verification, not for repair process or quality. We treated the estimate like our accounting system. We believed the solution to profit was more volume, so we made agreements that tightened the estimate more. We brought on technology and consultants to make that transaction faster. Our estimates keep getting smaller in margins. Well, we then look to our vendors and paint manufacturers for more discounts to help add more profit. Everything is a transaction. We think just one more of these transactions will be the one that makes the change in our business. Human relationship skills, for the most part, have been lost. If you want to write better estimates and be paid for them, you have to do these three things. First, you must be able to identify human behavior to determine a person's emotions and disposition. This can be done through physical observation, listening to their speech, and by reading word cues in email or other correspondence. Chris Voss, author of Never Split the Difference and well-known negotiation expert, agrees. The most important skill of any negotiator is the ability to read people. Now let's be honest with each other. This is an emotional business, not a logical one. Don't believe me? Well, how many times have you had the perfect documentation and proof of why something was required as part of a repair, only to still be told no? Maybe a better question would be, how many times today? Is that frustrating to you? Well, you want to know why? You never bring logic to an emotional problem. Just ask anyone that has ever been faced with a "does this dress make me look fat?" question. Next, you must understand how thousands of years of life experience has trained our brain to react to situations. From cavemen to the executive boardroom, we all think and react the same. Knowing the how and why of those reactions can help us shape our interactions with others, and by doing so, create win-win opportunities with everyone we meet. Last, you must develop a set of strategies that build relationships over differences. Humans are hardwired for connection. We can work through or around anything if we form a connection and believe that connection adds value to us. Negotiation at the heart is two people with a shared connection over a specific issue, not a shared agreement. Break the connection, negotiation stops. Keep the connection, and negotiation moves forward. Now, the best part of all of it is it's not as hard as it seems. You'll be surprised just how easy it can be and how quickly you'll start to see the benefits in your business. So join us in Jacksonville, Florida for 2 days of training on understanding these 3 required skills and how to implement them in your collision repair business.